like I said in the other video, my phone is like acting up. So, like I said, I think I'm about to take the whole this layer off. I don't know if it's really another layer, so let me see. I think it is another layer. We're in the jungle. Whoa, in the Christmas tree jungle. Okay, so now I might just have to turn my phone around because I can't see. Oh my gosh, how do I? Oh yeah, I just did it. Okay. So I might look a little bit tall to the camera. So I'm gonna just back up a little. Stepping on ornaments. Okay, so I'm gonna get that. I really know how to fix things a lot. So like pencils, bicycles. Okay, I'm about to go in the jungle. Okay, there is another layer. I can't. It's hard doing it with one hand. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna get to you in 1 second. There. That was like 3 seconds. Okay. So I got that undid. Now let's see if this is a layer. I think I just lifted up the whole tree. Oh my gosh, it's falling, guys. It's falling. I might need help from a cousin. Well, this is really part 2. It just uploaded my video for some weird reason. So I didn't get to put the title. So I'm going to tell you the title. Take It Down Christmas Tree, part 1 gone wrong. This is part 2 right now. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The tree is about to fall. Oh my gosh, guys, let me show you this footage. I'm gonna just let it fall. Boo-hoo, don't whack. Okay. So, ow, I just popped something. And it wasn't the tree. Okay, guys, I'm taking a break. About to go get some candy. Comment down below if you like these candies. Yeah? Huh? No, I'm still taking the last layer down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I want $5. I don't work for free. Hey guys. Or I might try Mexican pastries or and Mexican candies. Okay. Why is this so bright? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let me get from over here. Right here. It's called De La Rosa. It's either De La Rosa or it's De La Rosa. So yeah, about to go back over here, which I don't know how I'm gonna get over here. So I'm gonna just try. Get out here, you tree. The worst part after Christmas, you always have to take down the tree. I don't know why I'm doing this whole video. You're probably like, hurry up, girl, just get to the part. Okay, just hold on. I might do another song video. I'm having technical difficulties. I don't know why, but I just started doing that voice from a YouTuber. Shout out to Maura Mira and Justin Mira. Those are my favorite YouTubers. And the Navalua family. You go order for the slime shop. And after that, I'm gonna just have to put it in a bag, and then if it don't fit in that bag, I don't know. I might have to get another one. I only have one more left of these. This is not the last one. Another one is in the cabinet. Then after that, we're gonna take down the bow. If that don't get off of me, I'm starting to get annoyed. Ugh. Any more? Raise your hand if you have any more. Ugh. Hold on. For some reason, the smoke alarm is coming off. It's not coming off. So guys, I might have to do part 3, so bye.